vlog. Back here with McKay and Jet. We're going all over NorCal.
All over California.
All over California. Pretty lit. Buckled in for the flight.
You're not buckled in.
Not buckled in. Getting ready for the flight.
Let's go.
My laptop's all dead. Thought it was charging.
There's a USB-C charger up here for takeoff.
So we've heard it's more nasty.
What?
So we've heard it's more nasty in this one than regular flight.
Are you buckled?
Yeah. Stupid Chromebook on front arm.
Like, during the summer, there's a little bit more turbulence, but it's not bad. It goes for a lot more.
Poszary.
The mountains. 6, 8, what goes in the back 9? We got the carbon fiber.
Weight reduction. Where's the city? Cut the music.
I've learned another trick.
Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. Do I have to hold it or is it just fine like this?
Alright, welcome. So, we're going to Sacramento, and then we are going to go to Concord. We need to walk an apartment building. We need to go check out a property that we're renovating. And then we are going to fly to San Diego, check out another apartment building, and then we're going to fly back home. So we have lots to do today. Bring your brother to work today. Bring your brother to work day. So, should be exciting, and I hope you guys enjoy the ride.
I'm excited. Got these funny little mics we're trying out. We got the barren wastelands of California down there. We're gonna land in about 36 minutes. I swear that got longer. Oh no, whoa, we're not even 15 minutes. Okay.
Alright, that's a big boy flying on a private jet. Look at him. Look at him go.
Big boy, biggest boy. Bop into Shawn Mendes. Big boys bop to Shawn Mendes.
Justin Bieber, alright?
Justin Bieber, I don't know who it is.
Hey, in the fields, alright?
Working. Update on the Chromebook, never worked. It's not charging. Yeah, looks like this.
Matt, did you leave AirPods at the airport?
I did indeed.
Did you leave them there?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
I left AirPods.
Thank you so much.
I left AirPods in the airport. Uh-oh, I forgot his AirPods. Big boys forget their AirPods.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I felt them in my pockets and they weren't there. I was like, dang it, they fell out of my pockets.
It's alright.
More barren wastelands. We're landing and stuff now.
We're landing. Lots of coming hot.
Turbulence is kind of crazy. Feels like I'm about to snipe somebody. I listened to the song before we lost the first round of playoffs.
Thanks, Matt. Hold on.
That's crazy.
Now we'll fly from here to like. Oh, where is it? But where's Concord? Fly here to here, and then we'll fly from there down to there. That'll be like a 2-hour flight. And then we'll be there to home. Busy day.
Busy day. Just landed. 30-minute flight.
Now we're gonna go check out the properties.
I'm gonna go check out the properties. I don't know what that means. I'm just here along for the ride. Here to learn. Got the rental.
Okay.
So quiet compared to the plane. Take the mic off so it doesn't look sus. We're here for an undercover op. No one can know this. John's the owner. Just got
Apartment number 1 done.
done. It was pretty clean.
Pretty good. And now we're gonna go to property 2, which is my baby.
Why is it your baby?
Because it's like the grossest house we've ever purchased.
Did you fix it?
We're fixing it.
Oh,
So you'll see like halfway progress.
nice. A car from Iron Man.
Huh? Oh.
It's like Iron Man.
Are you
Back on the
renting or are you
flight.
buying it?
We're just chilling.
Nice.
Went to
Is
go
it
check out some
family or
property.
condo or what?
Back on the jet, you know.
Nice, dude.
Pretty lit. Tables are up and everything. Got the
Dude, that's
cool
sick.
windows.
That's
stalling.
Right up my alley.
Anyway, better head back out.
Are you
Back on the
renting or are you
flight.
buying it?
We're just chilling.
Nice.
Went to
Is
go
it
check out some
family or
property.
condo or what?
Back on the jet, you know.
Nice, dude.
Pretty lit. Tables are up and everything. Got the
Dude, that's
cool
sick.
windows.
That's
stalling.
Right up my alley.
Anyway, better head back out. So as you can see, along with the broken panel that's just flopping. So our flight's gonna be about 8 minutes long, which is, I mean, it's a lot. Looks like a mega dirt bike, just like normal. That'd be so fun. Looks like we're gonna be landing pretty soon. It lied. It's been a little longer than like 4 minutes. It's been like 5 or 6. Let's see here, waiting for the screen to pop back. Right there. Waiting for the screen to pop back up. Yeah, so we've been flying for about 14 minutes. So I was about 3 minutes off, which is kind of annoying. Might leave a bad review. Wow. We are really moving if you think about it. Oh, and here comes the landing. We're gonna go. And there it is, safe touchdown. I don't know if I should start clapping or not. I'm like sliding forward. Alright, we better dip. We just landed. Just got done with the multi-family house in Concord. Hold on.
This is the single thing.
Or sorry, single family. I got this mixed up. Lots of Spanish. Kid's really good at speaking Spanish. I was just sitting there with his brother. I was like, I didn't even speak. I was just
Yeah, we walked the house. We made a punch list of things to do, questions to ask, and then we'll finish this house up in a week or two. We'll be done.
Dr. Bowers, if you're watching this, you were right. They do not spell out words. They just sound it out better. You were asking for a flange. He said, no, flange. Flange. I was like, just spell out the word, dog.
Yeah, that's fine.
They had an extra one, though. I saw one in the room, in the master bedroom. They had an extra toilet flange. He's talking about the seal around the toilet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's like bolts that need to go in it.
And also, I think the garage works. It just looks like it was unhooked. The red lever. It looks like someone pulled the red lever.
On what?
In the garage.
What red lever?
You know the one at the edge of the garage door? The one that's in the garage that your parents always told you not to pull as a kid?
What red lever?
Like the red pulley thingy in the garage.
Oh, yeah. That's fine.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll be, yeah.
My
Yeah, no, you're
Spanish.
right. It just needs to be connected.
Spanish detective skills were not on that one.
Oh, good.
About to head back to the private jet, which doesn't get Wi-Fi at 8,000 feet. Ugh. No, not gonna say that out loud. Sitting here waiting for an Uber, another Spanish speaker dipped on us. McKay just started whipping it out in the Uber, the Spanish. Yeah. Alright, we're on the plane. Just got back from I don't even know where. Opened up a game of Catan. Had a fat cookie. McKay just lost a piece under his seat.
Got it.
Looked like it wasn't fun to get.
Got it.
Got me a root beer, McKay a Coca-Cola. About a game on some Catan. Alright, just annihilated this fetcher.
I got the toast. You got me.
He just got cooked because I think it was this. Only those three saved me because I just built cities everywhere. And the robber on his brick the whole time he couldn't build. Anyway, good game. We're above the clouds. Yay! Alright guys, we're back here.
One more stop.
One more stop.
5 minutes away from the airport. We gotta go to not hit the curb.
We hit the curb.
We hit the curb. I've done that so many times at this airport specifically. Let's go straight back.
Anyway, we're in San Diego. About to go check out the last rental property. We have to be in and out in no more than 45 minutes. 7:15, we gotta be out of here. On our way back to Ventura. Got a C4, and then I got me some classic Skittles right here.
And we're driving a race car.
And we're driving a race car. Toyota with the Camrys is going crazy right now. Look at us. What do we look at us?
Right, actually.
Anyway.
Yeah, they both have a stop sign. I'm gonna go.
Lulu.
I like it.
He likes the Camry. What do we?
Just got my butt kicked in Catan.
Oh, dude, I smoked him.
Yeah,
Oh, it's got electric mode.
Don't touch it. When you're dealing with private jets and cars that you don't own, don't push buttons.
Oh, I have push buttons. Look at this. Look how steep that is. And we're already like curving. I hate how the video doesn't do justice. Okay, we're back from the undercover op. I think the 16-year-old boy in light blue Nike shorts. That didn't do much, but the Skittles. The Skittles were the one that got him.
Undercover op.
Yeah, got out unnoticed. Checked a couple of things. I think that was the nicest building we've been to. Or nicest complex we've been to today.
It's a very nice property.
Very nice property in the middle of San Diego. And doom and gloom. Oh, plane. About to do that. Alright, we're on the plane for the 6th time today.
Oh, is this the 6th
Got the
time?
cool little mic. I think it's the 6th time.
Wait, so Camarillo to Sac, Sac to Concord, Concord to San Diego. It's 5 times. 5 times.
5 times.
Almost 6.
Almost 6. What? That doesn't make sense. You have to do an even amount of flights.
Do you?
Yeah.
Wait. Casey made Sac, Sac to Concord, Concord to San Diego home.
We've gone 5 times, but we've been in the plane 6.
What do you mean?
Landing or takeoff, landing. No.
Takeoff?
Dang it. We've been in the
Takeoff?
plane 5 times.
Okay. Don't make me feel like I'm crazy.
Okay, sorry.
Right? I'm not crazy. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm crazy.
Crazy. I was crazy once. Locked me in a room. A rubber room with rats.
What the fetch?
Rats? Rats make me crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. Yeah. Heading home. Boop, boop, boop. So we're landing here back in Ventura and just look at all the lights. They kind of look like they're sparkling for some reason.
All right, post-game interview time. All right, how'd it go, Matt? What'd you think about bring your brother to work day?
It was pretty fun. I thought it would be sit around in a jet all day and get to go to all these places. That's fun.
Isn't that what we did?
Oh yeah, but it was a little more exhausting than I thought it would be.
Why was it exhausting?
I don't know. It just took a lot more out of me than I thought it would. I don't know what it was.
That's funny.
Could have been the 6 7 hours of sleep I got 4, but that's
Yeah.
I've gotten less. and Done
Now we
more.
gotta wake up in a couple hours and go to work.
Yay!
So,
Except this time I
so
actually
what
get
was
to work.
what was something that you thought was interesting?
The fact that like a good property manager or like real estate manager will always go back and double check and make sure nothing's broken, because it can be a very expensive fault on you if you don't double check absolutely everything.
Interesting. It's a good observation.
And also pilots are pretty cool people.
Yeah, pilots are pretty cool. What do you think about the jet?
The jet was sick, but honestly, like, the properties that we went to were so nice. They were so cool looking. Just so
Yeah.
modern.
Okay. Yes. They were very nice properties.
I'm pretty sheltered. I rarely leave my house in Gilbert.
Yeah, and we traveled tip to toe of California today.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Very nice. Well, hopefully you can join me for another adventure again soon. Cut.
Boop.